Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video I will be showing you the Android 11 soak test that is currently going on for the Moto One Fusion Plus. So in this video I will be showing you what are the new features that we are going to get in this Android 11. So I will be also showing you the performance and the battery life in this Android 11 soak test. So this soak test is almost going on for 2 months now, so I will be giving you every details about it. So first let me go to the settings and show you the version details and all, and I will then show you what are the new features that you will be getting in this. So click on the Android version, and this is how the Android version 11 looks like. So let me show you the number here also. So this is the Android 11, and by doing this we can activate the Easter egg of Android 11. Almost all the features are covered in the settings, so I will show you the features in the settings itself. And first start with the network and internet, and there are no much change or new features added here. It's the basic stuff that we can see in the Android 11. It's the same and no change here, and we are not getting the carrier aggregation also. So the connected devices is almost same, as you can see here, the Bluetooth, Chromecast, nearby share, etc. So let me go to the battery. The battery life is very reduced in this soak test. So when I compare it with the Android 10, I am getting 2 hours and 1 hour, sometimes 1 hour less than the Android 10. So this is the graph, and this is the first beta that is going on, and we have reported all of these bugs and waiting for the update of beta 2. Now let us go to the display, and in this Android 11 we will be getting the scheduling of the dark mode. We can schedule when to turn on and off. You can enable dark mode directly from the settings, or you can enable through the QoS styles. And after that, as you can see here, the styles settings over here. Let's see what's new in this. Regarding the fonts, there are no new fonts added, but in the Android 11 the whole UI adapts to the fonts. As you can see here, the lock screen changes, and even on the top the whole UI adapts to the font, and even in some apps we can see that there is a change in this font. Not only in the UI, but you can also see these font changes in the widgets also. So after that, as you can see now, they have added more colors over here in the styles, and you can choose from any of them. And I will be choosing, for now I will be choosing the black color over here. And then after that, they have added a 3 new icon shapes over here. And after these icon shapes, they have added a more layout options now, and I will be keeping for default 5x5, and then you can apply it, and that's it for the styles and all. And regarding the home launcher, we are getting the new options like app label and also home screen style. We can keep app tray, or also we can keep the open option. So we can use the app tray, or we can use the launcher like the iOS. And after that we can change the icon size also. Like you can see, I will be keep too small. So let's get back to the display settings, and after that, as you can see, these are all the same things which are present in the Android 10. So let me keep the DPI values to default again, and then proceed. And at the bottom we can see the more actions here, 3-finger screenshot, etc. And another feature is screen recording feature, for which so many people are waiting. And here we can see, we can record the screen of your phone in full HD or 720 and up to 60 fps. You can start the screen recording by clicking on the QoS style here, and it will automatically start recording your screen. So after that we need to select the settings, like from which source the audio should be recorded. So we can select from mic, or from speaker, or from internal audio. So based on that, the audio will be recorded, and click on stop button here, and the screen recording will be stopped and saved automatically. So this is the new feature that we will be getting in the Android 11. So let's get back again to see what else do we get here. So after that, let's go to sound and vibration, and here you can see it's showing a volume for the power amp music player. So this is the new feature which is nothing but multi-app audio support. So we can simultaneously control the volume of the multiple apps. If we are using YouTube and music player at a time, we can reduce or increase the music player audio and simultaneously the YouTube audio also. So this is the feature, and based on AI it will automate the app every time we open the app. So this is a new feature and which is very useful. And after that, there is some change in the audio effects UI, and I didn't feel like see any change in the audio output, but the UI is changed. So let me connect to the earphones and show you. So when we connect to the wired or wireless earphones, we will be seeing these new options, that is 3D stereo, home cinema, etc. And then we can also edit the custom modes by increasing bass or surrounding live or wide, etc. And there is no change in the audio output, but there is a change in the UI, and the remaining things are same, and we will be getting the live caption feature also. So I'll be showing that in the accessibility settings. So after that, sound and settings, the remaining things are same like we see them in the Android 10. So here let me show you that live caption. So here, as you can see in the audio and on-screen text, you can see the live caption. So depending on the audio that is playing on your screen, the live captions we can see them. So we can enable or disable that live caption from here. So after that, as you can see, the system update has been changed, and we can see directly from the settings here. And after that, click on check for updates and it'll check for the new updates available. As you can see, the Android version 11 and December security patch. So it's almost 2 months now that this beta 1 update is going on, and we are waiting for the second update. Now let's go to the system here, and we can see we have the same options like the Android 10, like the performance, and here in the gestures we can see the Moto actions, swipe to switch feature, etc. over here. And the gesture navigation is all the same, and even that PUBG bug is not fixed in Android 11. We are getting the same black bar bug even in this Android 11, and that is also not fixed. The remaining things stays the same, nothing much change over here. And we can go to the about phone and all, and everything is same. Even the camera is same, the output also is not improved, the UI is same, the features that we are getting are also same. So let me show you even in settings also, there are nothing much change in the same old features. When coming to the performance has been increased, and the UI smoothness has also been increased. The UI is more smooth when compared to the Android 10. So now this is like a small feature, but it has been there in the MI phones and all other phones that we can see now in this Android 11. So that new feature is that whenever a person picks up call or hang up the call, we will be getting the vibration. So this is a very good feature that we can see, and we are finally getting in this Moto stock ROM also. So we will be getting a haptic feedback when someone answers the call, so that we can know without keeping our mobile near the ear. When coming to the Moto display features, earlier it's used to be an Android 11 feature, but now Motorola is giving to the Android 10 devices also. So there nothing much change in this Moto display also. So let's go to Moto display settings and clock style. As you can see, the 3 new clock styles. Now this feature is also available in Android 10, and no new Moto actions are added. So let me show you the game time mode UI update. So the UI is updated to the latest one. So open the game and let me show you that. So click on this toggle here and you can see the new UI. From here we can control the audio, and we can select some new different actions directly from here. Open multiple apps here like WhatsApp, Facebook and all. And now we can directly access the settings over here, and then we can toggle the adaptive brightness and new app shortcuts and what are the mode actions that we can block over here. And after that, block notification directly, calls, and take the screenshot also here. So these are the new UI that we can see in this game time. So only the UI changed, not the gaming mode performance and all. So the UI has been improved, the smoothness has been increased, but the battery life has been decreased in this soak test. So these are the new features that I have noted in the Android 11 soak test that is currently going on for the Moto One Fusion Plus, and it's almost 2 months now, and I am waiting for the next update to see whether they improved the battery life and also fixed some UI bugs that we can see, which are very rare, but we can see some kind of very rare UI bugs. I don't know, but it might take some time also. And I forgot to show you the power menu feature here. So this you can see in the Android 11, where you can connect your home appliances, smart devices, and control directly from here. So this is the new thing I forgot to mention. Let's see how much time they will take for this testing and all, but to be frank, this soak test update is very stable except the battery drain issues. I didn't find any of the major issues, and we can use this soak test update for the daily usage also. This is pretty stable when compared to the other OEMs giving the update. Yes, but they are taking more time, but we are getting the stable ROM when compared to other devices. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe.